Hello my dear friends, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to make this super cute doll which is made using paper quilling strip along with the beautiful rainbow keychain. So I have created this keychain for my niece who loves to play with dolls, and her favorite color is pink, and also she loves rainbow so much. So I have just customized it according to her choices and favorite colors, and you can also create this using your favorite color combinations or characters. So without any further delay, let's start with the procedure. So I'm starting with making the girl's face. For this I'm taking 2 strips of peach color in 3mm and making one tight coil dome. Now to create dome, I am just taking my quilling mold and shaping it as a dome. Similarly, I have prepared one more tight coil using 2 strips of dark brown color in 3mm. So making dome of that shape as well. Now adding glue inside both the domes and sticking with each other. So the face is ready. Then to create top, here I am taking this pink color dome which is made using 3 strips in 3mm, and the height of this dome is approx 2.2 centimeters. So this is simple cone shape. I have opened it using my fingers. And now to decorate the shirt from bottom, here I am taking 1/4 strip of dark pink color in 3mm, just creating the teardrop shape. Similarly, I have prepared some more, and now one by one I am going to stick these teardrops inside this cone. And this is done, looking very pretty. Now on top of this I am just sticking the face. Allow it to dry completely. Then to create hands, I am taking a half strip of light pink color in 3mm and making one cone shape. Just bending the cone little bit. Like this, and then adding glue inside this. Then to make palm, here I am taking half strip of peach color in 3mm and making one teardrop shape. Then sticking the palm inside the hands. And this is done. Similarly, I have prepared one more. Now taking back the doll and sticking both the hands. Then to create hairs, here I am taking dark brown color yarn and just creating simple chains using crochet hook. So first I am making the slip knot, and then I'll make 8 chains. So I am making the braid here for the girl. So using the crochet hook you can easily create the braided pattern. Cutting the excess yarn, tightening it, and just folding this from the center like this. So it will be the folded braid. Now cutting excess yarn and sticking both the ends with each other using glue. Similarly, I have prepared one more for other side of the braid like this. Then taking back the girl and sticking the braids on back side of the head. Then here I have prepared this tight coil using 5 strips of off-white color in 3mm, and I am taking my quilling mold and just shaping it like this. The center part should be get domed and the remaining bottom part should be flat, so it will look like the hat. Now adding glue inside the hat, and before that I am just passing this T-pin through this so that we can convert the doll into keychain, and then spreading glue nicely. Allow it to dry. Then it's dried, I am cutting the excess wire from top and just creating the loop using plier. Like this. Then sticking the hat on top of the head of girl. Like this, very pretty. To create small flower bunch, here I am taking 1/4 strip of yellow color, making small teardrop shape and wrapping sap green strip around this to create the branch like this. Similarly, I have prepared some more flowers, so joining all three together and sticking it between the hands of girl. Like this. Then to create leg, here I am taking this 20 by 2 centimeters dark pink color paper. Just roll it from one corner and create one tight coil. Here I am making the pants. Just pinching it in top like this, and bottom should be flat. Then to create boot, I am taking here one strip of white color in 3mm and making one tight teardrop shape. Then sticking the boots with legs, and this is ready. Similarly, I have prepared one more leg already. Now sticking both the legs together, and on top of this I am adding the girl. So fill lots of glue inside the petals and then stick it on the legs. Allow it to dry completely for few minutes. Then here I am taking 1/4 strip of purple color and wrapping it around the pencil and creating the ring. Here I am making the rainbow keychain. Then taking half strip of pink color, this is the dark pink. Then taking one strip of blue color. Then 1 1/4 strip of green color. Then 1 1/2 strip of yellow color. 1 3/4 strip of orange color, and 2 strips of red color. So the big size ring is ready. Secure it with glue nicely. Make it flat and add lots of glue on top of this Spread it using brush and allow it to dry completely like this. Then it's dried and I'm just dividing it in two parts to create the nice semicircle rainbow like this. And then to create the clouds, I'm taking here one strip of white color and making one tight coil. Similarly, I have prepared some more. So now first I'm sticking total 4 big tight coils in the bottom. And then on top of this I'm adding 2 small white tight coils which are made using 3/4 strip of white color. And the rainbow is ready. Then to create hanging of the rainbow, I am attaching 2 1/4 strip of white color, and in the center I am adding one tight coil which is made using 1/2 strip of white color. Add glue between all the tight coils and allow it to dry completely. Then I have just passed one silver jump ring from the center tight coil, passing one small piece of silver chain through this. Adding one more jump ring on other side and then passing it through one of the loop of the keychain hook or keychain holder, securing the jump ring nicely. Then taking the doll and passing one silver jump ring from the topmost loop, attaching with the bottommost loop of the chain, secure the jump ring. Like this. Then to create charm, here I am taking one more silver T-pin, passing one flower bead and one silver bead through this, creating the loop using remaining wire. Adding silver jump ring through this and connecting with the keychain. And this is completely ready, looking super duper cute, isn't it? You can add some more charms if you wish. Now it's time to varnish everything, because we are going to use it on the daily basis, so it should be strong, sturdy and waterproof. So here I am taking Perfect Glaze by Craft Gully. It is the best varnish for quilling projects. So we need to apply it on each and every part of the quilled area. So first of all I am just covering the rainbow using varnish from all the sides. And then I am applying it on the doll as well. So it's completely covered and dried, and can you see beautiful shine on this? Now it's quite strong, sturdy and waterproof, so you can use it easily. You can decorate your purse using this keychain charm. You can put this on your pouches or as the key holder. So in this way you can make in different combinations, different themes. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.